Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a workspace on Monday.com, the user-friendly project management tool. First things first, log into your Monday.com account. Now, why do we start here? Simply because you need to be logged in to create or manage workspaces. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can easily sign up for a free trial on their homepage. Next up, look for the Add button on your dashboard, which is usually located on the left side. This button is your gateway to creating new items, including workspaces. The reason we do this is to ensure we're creating a new workspace, not just a new board or project within an existing workspace. Once you've clicked on the Add button, you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose Workspace. This helps us because it allows us to create a clear, organized environment for our new project or team. Let me explain why this matters. A separate workspace ensures that your project or team's tasks don't get mixed up with others, providing a focused space for collaborative work. After selecting Workspace, a window will appear where you can name your workspace and add a description. Make sure to choose a name that is easily recognizable to your team. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By giving your workspace a unique, relevant name, you're making it easier for team members to find and use it, thereby boosting productivity. Now that we've done that, hit the Create Workspace button to finalize your workspace. You've now successfully created a workspace on Monday.com. The reason why our final step is just clicking a button is because Monday.com prides itself on its simplicity and user-friendliness, making it easy even for beginners to start organizing their work. And there you have it. You've mastered creating a workspace on Monday.com in just a few simple steps. With this knowledge, you can now organize your projects more efficiently and keep your team focused. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, the key to successful project management is organization and clear communication. Stay productive, and until next time.